everyone, I'm Shannon. In this video, we're going to learn how to perfectly stuff a gift bag. So I am just using a normal bag that I got this stuff from my mom for Mother's Day at a Maker's Market, and this was one of the bags that one of the items came in. So we'll just use this bag today. It'll be a nice recycling for it. And when I stuff my gift bags, I like to do a tissue paper per item. So I have 3 items, so I have 3 tissue papers. Since it's just a brown bag, we'll use multicolored tissue papers, multiple colors. Now this bag does not have a seam, but some bags have seams, so you'd look for that to make sure you put that to the back of the package. Or some bags might have a glittery front compared to a non-glittery front if you buy decorated bags. So pay attention to that when you're stuffing your bags. So we have, first what we do when we stuff our bags is we get our tissue paper. There's always like a matte side and a softer side. I like the softer side on the outside. And you take your item and you put it in the center of your bag. Sorry, it is a bag. You put it in the center of your tissue paper. And then you fold it over. And then once you have it, you take it by the center and you give it a shake. And then it gives you a nice poof for your tissue paper. Put that one in the back. And then I have a little white one. Same thing. I take my item. I put it in the center of the tissue paper. Turn it upside down. Give it a little shake. And then each item, as you pull it out, will have tissue paper. So instead of cramming everything at the bottom of the bag and pulling out the tissue paper, each tissue paper you pull out will have a item in it. Same thing with the bigger ones. You just put it, pull it to the side, pick it up, give it a little shake. Just a nice little pinch at the top. Not too hard or you'll pull your paper. You just kind of tuck it in, and every time it comes out absolutely cute and perfect. If you like this video and I found it helpful, please like so that other people can find it as well, and subscribe if you would like more step-by-step creative gift wrapping ideas. Thank you.